Hello, my name is Princess. I'm a 7th grader from SMPK KOSAYU 2 Malang. The Sumatran Tiger. I am the Sumatran Tiger. I am the top of all predators. Without me, the balance between prey and predators will be ruined. I am the king who kept peace between every animal. I rely on my sense of sight and hearing to find my prey. I lurk unseen in the shadows of trees while watching my prey. I'll slowly approach you. I'll pounce and bite their neck. They will be suffocated and won't be able to run. How can I become a king if I don't have my territory? You humans have destroyed my habitat. How do I supposed to keep my job as a king if I have nowhere to go? You hunted us and used us for stupid medicines. My clans have suffered from a loss. Do you think we are accessories for you? That you use our whiskers for talismans or charms? Do you think our bones are made for you to use it for medicines? Do you think our fur is for your rug? Because of what you did, it might only be me left in the next generation. Without me, disaster might break out. If I disappear from the wild, you humans would have to deal with massive increase in the population of prey animals, forest degradation due to overgazing by the prey animals. Let's stop this human-tiger conflict. You need us to keep the balance in the ecosystem, while we need you to stop hunting and using us. Plant trees, use water wisely, give me a decent place to live. Let's stop this conflict once and for all and have peace together. Thank you.